Hi, second grade. Welcome back to another Eureka math lesson with Mrs. Jones. Today we're looking at Eureka Math Module 7, Lesson 9. Our I can sentence is, I can use different coin combinations to find the same amount of money. So we're going to go ahead and start out with thinking how much money is on this mat. I'm going to give you about 15 seconds to think about how much money is shown on this mat. So I counted 15 cents on this mat. What about on this mat? How much money is on this mat? I'm going to give you about 15 seconds to go ahead and count. So when I counted the money on this mat, I noticed that it was 15 cents as well. So the total amount of money on each mat is the same, right? Thumbs up. We see that because both have 15 cents down there. But why is that? When I look at this mat, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins, and I only see 3 coins here. So how can this many more coins equal or be the same amount as these 3 coins? Do you know the answer to that? Go ahead and tell me. If you didn't know the answer, that's okay. We're going to go ahead and explore why 6 coins is the same amount of money as 3 coins. So when we look at this, we know a dime is 10 cents, plus 1 cent is 11 cents, 12 cents, 13 cents, 14 cents, 15 cents. So we've gone ahead and we've added everything up. We know that a nickel is worth how much money? Right, 5 cents. We have 3 nickels here, so we can skip count by fives. 5, 10, 15. So we know that each coin or each total equals 15 cents. It doesn't matter how many coins we have because each coin has its own value of how much it's worth. They both equal 15 cents. So now we're going to go ahead and do some playing around with some money and exploring this concept a little bit further. If you have these coins around, then I would get them. This is going to be a little bit easier for you to go ahead and circle around. If you don't have them, that's okay. You could go ahead and either, make them and cut them out. So you could put each amount of the coin. So you can make 4 25 cents, 10 5 cents, 10 10 cents, and 10 pennies. Or you could just go ahead and draw them out. Go ahead and pause this video if you need to gather these materials. If not, then we're just going to go ahead and keep going. No big deal. Welcome back. Okay, so our first challenge is we are going to make 28 cents 2 different ways. I'm going to give you about a minute. I'm going to get a timer on my phone going. If you need more time, you can always pause this video and you can always turn it right back on. 1 minute, 28 cents, and go. Okay, let's see if ours match. So the first way that I could make 28 cents, if you have one of these ways, go ahead and say, good job, me, is I took a quarter, 25, and 3 pennies. So 25, 26, 27, 28. That's the easiest and fastest, and we talked about this word efficient, way to make 28 cents. And then I also saw that, ooh, I can take 2 dimes and 8 pennies. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, oh, 26. I'm going to have to add. And just like magic, we have 28. Okay, we're going to go ahead and make 56 cents in 2 ways. This time I'm not going to give you that much time because you can pause this video if you need to. So I'm only going to give you about 30 seconds setting that timer on my phone. And if you need more time when the timer goes off, go ahead and pause this video. 56 cents 2 ways. Okay, so if you need more time, pause this video now. The way that I found 56 in 2 different ways was first I did my most efficient way using the least amount of coins. So I have 25 plus another 25 is 50, 55, 56. The other way that I found to make 56 cents was by counting by tens first, using my dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh my goodness. The other way I found to make 56 cents was using my dimes, nickels, and a penny. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56. So 2 different ways I could make it was 2 quarters, 1 nickel, 1 penny, or 5 dimes, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. Okay, this is our last one we're going to do together, and then I'm going to show you what your problem set looks like. So we're going to make 75 cents 2 different ways. I'm going to give you 30 seconds just like I did, and if you need more time, pause that video. 75 cents 2 ways, go. Okay, if you need more time, no problem, just pause this video. The first way I was able to find 75 cents was my most efficient way. I know 3 quarters is the same as 75 cents. Another way is I took my dimes and a nickel. So I have 7 dimes and 1 nickel. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Okay. Oh, $1. I forgot about this because this is my challenge problem for you. Challenge time. So can you make $1 2 different ways? I'm going to give you 30 seconds. And if you need more time, go ahead and pause. $1, 2 different ways, coins only, go. Okay. If you need more time, no problem, just pause this video. So the first way, most efficient way, quickest way, I know 4/4. Then the next way, I know that $1 is actually 100 cents. So I know I can skip count by tens to make 100. So I use 10 dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 cents, or $1. Okay, so what do I need to do for my problem set? Here's what your Google form is going to look like, and it's going to ask you to click the coin combinations that equal a certain amount of money. And I'm not telling you how many are in each answer, and each answer has a different amount of check boxes that you will be checking. Some have 1, some might have up to 3, or all 4. So what you need to do is, if I were solving this problem, I would have something to write with, and write on, so that I know what each part is. So if I'm looking for 75 cents and it says 3/4, I know a quarter is worth how much money? Right, 25 cents. Since it's 3/4, I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 circles and write 25 cents in each one. If it's helpful for you to skip count underneath, like this, then you can go ahead and do that. I know 3/4 equals 75 cents. Okay, the next one is 7 nickels and 1 dime. So I'm going to draw 7 nickels first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I know a nickel is worth how much money? Right, 5 cents. So I'm going to put a 5 in each one. So I've drawn my 7 fives, and it says 1 dime. I'm going to go ahead and let's see if I can make this a little bit easier for you to see. 1, and then I know a dime is worth how much? Right, 10. So I'm going to go ahead and skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I'm not going to get tricked. 35 plus 10, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 equals 45. Oh, I'm not going to get tricked. That one does not equal 75 cents. Next one is 75 pennies. So when I first read that, I'm thinking, ooh, I know a penny is worth how much money? Right, 1 cent. So if I have 75 ones, does that equal 75 cents? Yep, I don't have to draw 75 ones because I know I can skip count by ones and get to 75. My last one, 7 dimes and 1 nickel. So I'm going to draw my 7 dimes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I know that my dimes are worth how much money? Right, 10 cents. I have my 7 dimes, and what other coin did I need? Right, 1 nickel. And my nickel is worth how much? Right, 5. So now, easy peasy, I can skip count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 plus 5, if I can't do that in my head. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So I know my 7 dimes and 1 nickel equals 75 cents. I'm going to go ahead and click submit, and I'm all done. So second grade, I really want to say thank you. You've been doing such an amazing job. I know this has not been easy. It hasn't been easy for me either. We all see you, and we are all so proud of you. Keep up this great work that you are doing. you have any questions, go ahead and ask your teacher. See you soon. Bye-bye.